Hello friends, welcome to the Digitize Sneha channel. In this video, I am going to explain you what is structured data, what its purpose and why it is necessary to use and how it can be help you in your SEO effort. So let's get started for this video. So what is structured data? Structured data in simple language is an organized information. Structured data is organized and tagged with specific group of text that can help search engine to understand the context of that information, and it can return the accurate search result to the searchers. If you want to know more about the structured data, then you can check out the schema.org website. Link is given in the description below, so you can check out. So let me explain you structured data by using example. So for example, if you are running a clothing store, then you have to organize your clothes according to categories like traditional wear or western wear. Also you can categorize like kids section or main section or women sections, right? So similar to this, you have to organize all the information related to your business into structured snippet, so structured data, so people will understand, or Google will understand what the business is about and what are the different categories they have or different types they have. Whenever anyone searches for clothing store near their location, then Google will provide pretty much everything about you need to know about that clothing store, right? So sometimes I search for something and find the right answer on the search engine result page itself, and I don't even have to click on the results. Does that happen to you sometimes? If it has, then thanks to structured snippet. When you are dealing with the structured data, you will hear the keyword terms like marking up structured data or structured data markup. Structured data is a markup language. Structured data makes it easy for search engine to understand what image and the content is all about and display it accurately in the search result or in the browser. For example, it allows the publisher to add the name of the product, rating of the product, and the review of that product. Organization needs rules. Let me explain with an example. If you are into laundry business, then you have to sort your clothes by their colors. Or if you are running a library, then you have to categorize your books into different according to different genres or different categories, like motivational, like biography, or some historical books and other types, right? Similarly, the structured data has simple rules how the information is organized. Let's talk about schema.org and structured data. The official website of structured data is schema.org. This website created the rules that can be used to organize the information on publisher websites. Now we are coming to the point why websites should use the structured data. Websites that are eligible for rich results get more traffic to their website when Google uses that information. Users can directly scroll through the videos and directly access it and watch it. For example, when I search how to make a French toast in Google, then it will give me the result of structured snippet. Please see the side image so you will understand how the structured snippet look like in Google. It will give me the information of French toast, like images of French toast, cooking information, the cooking time of that recipe, or also give me review rating of that product, also give me the name of that website organization. Using structured data only make a web page eligible for rich result. It doesn't give the guarantee to be prominent feature snippet position at the top of the search engine result pages. Google's preferred version of structured data is JSON LD. It is easy to use and edit too. You can use other format to write the structured data too, but it is very complicated to work. You can see the side image so you can know how you can write the markup for that image. Now you know what is structured data, why it is necessary to use it, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, please comment down below, and you can connect with me on all social media channel. Link is given in the description below. And where are you going? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.